Good morning from Ekudden, Flaten, spontaneous nude beach spot in the beautiful nature of Flaten in Stockholm. It is 9:30 a.m. and I am early today for a beach adventure because it is sunny and the sun will be around till maybe 11 today, where the clouds will take over. But also it is not blowing any wind here at all currently, which makes it even more warmer than the current 17 degrees Celsius in the air. And I am so happy to be coming for another beach adventure here at this one of my go-to spots here in the beautiful nature. Today I made maybe a record. I have arrived here in 20 minutes and 20 seconds, 8.5 kilometers. But I didn't take any detours, so it feels strange when at 8 kilometers he told me I had 19 minutes. So that was cool, I must say. And yes, today we are at beach number 58 on my Sweden beach adventures this year. Today is 11th of June, and let's check out the temperature in the lake Flaten. Yesterday I was at Soderbyhön, it was 20 degrees Celsius in the lake. Here it's a bit of a larger lake, but the water, it looks so stunning and so clean. So I'm gonna have so much fun swimming here for half an hour. And yesterday I did manage to swim for 30 minutes in a row. I mean at once, which is amazing. Very peaceful nature. I can see that there is nobody even on the public beaches on the other end of the lake, but it's obviously Wednesday and it's very early, so okay, we are dealing with 19 degrees Celsius. I really need to get a new thermometer that's much more visible and floating in the water, but I need to head to one of the larger department stores that have that, and those are out of town and usually they are not close to any lake or spots that I'm going to, so I might need to end up ordering online at the end. But let's then enjoy a nice swim before the clouds hit in. You can see that there are lots of clouds coming in the way, so I'm really lucky to be this early to avoid the clouds. Okay, Ekudden, Flaten, and yeah, so the Eurovision shorts are still continuing to deliver great results and many views, so I will be posting them for quite some more time. It seems so. And but the beach adventures continue as usual. All right, let's get going. Oh, it's so at this point now it's very convenient to, I'm not feeling cold at all because it's obviously summer and Swedish summer, and then we are ready to go for a swim in 3, 2, 1. What an amazing morning dip at one of my favorite spots in the beautiful nature. The water is so stunning. I can't describe to you how clean and fresh it is. Really feeling reconnected with nature when the body emerges with the water. Cool, so yeah, I'm a bit now. I want to go to the sea soon, but it seems like the weather is not gonna be that best for the sea, so it will be more sea adventures, don't worry. And probably from July I will get a public transport card because they will be at 50% off due to government decision and budget also. So it's gonna be very cheap to get around and explore the beautiful beaches on the sea in Stockholm. With that said, it's time for Chris to take a longer swim after this vlog. So I hope you enjoyed this morning beach vlog from this nude beach spot in the beautiful Swedish nature. And thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!